TouchBeauty Electric Manicure Pedicure Nail Files Set AG 1335. So welcome Tech 5 channel new video. TouchBeauty Manicure Pedicure Nail File Set, Manicure Drill Set, 5-in-1 Portable Nail File Drill System for Salon-Quality Care of Hands and Feet at Home, Battery-Powered AG 1335C, Gold. Details of products. Brand, TouchBeauty. Color, Gold. Material, ABS. Item dimensions LXWXH, 18.8 by 5.7 by 5.7 centimeters. Power source, battery powered. About this item. Professional nail care set, comes with 5 optional attachments. Effectively remove excess cuticles, smooth corns and calluses, will drill, buff, polish, and shine fingernails and toenails just like a salon-grade service. Built-in UV nail dryer. Manicure Pedicure set comes with a built-in UV nail polish dryer on the storage stand which will help to dry your nail. The storage stand also organizes all the pieces nicely. Strong motor, powerful enough to trim and shape tough acrylics and toenails. Safe and will not damage your skin. Ergonomic design, comfortable handle, mini pen-sized nail drill can be hold and storage easily. You can take it anywhere on your bag. 2 AAA, not included, /3 LR44, included, button batteries. 1-year warranty. You are fully covered by our 1-year warranty and 30 days return guarantee. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you meet any problem. Thanks for the watching video. Like this video. Share this video. Subscribe the channel for more new videos. And press the bell icon for new videos notification.